Hi guys and welcome to the quick guide on how to use this college networking notion template. In this video, I will show you how to organize your contacts, track networks, event and stay on top of your networking goals. First, let's start with the quick links toggle. This is where you can easily access all the important pages in your template. Just click to expand and you will see everything you need at first glance. Before the After the quick links, you will see two main sections: dashboards and networking. And these column are where you manage everything related to your networking activities. Let's start with the dashboard column. The dashboard page is the center hub. Actually, here you will get quick snapshot on all your networking progress, including upcoming events and tasks. This is where you will start your each day. Next is the my day page. Use this to plan your day. It's a great for keeping your track of networking tasks, meetings, and follow-ups. Just keep off each task as you complete it. Then the capture is your go-to for jotting down new ideas or contacts on the fly. You can easily organize this later, but this page makes sure you never lose a thought. And the networking progress page, which is where you track your overall strategy. Help you stay aligned with your goals and ensure you are making steady progress. Now let's explore the networking column. The task manager is where you will manage all your networking tasks, whether it's follow up with someone or prepare for an event. You can add tasks, set deadline, and prioritize them. Now let's go to the next page, which is Contact Hub. Now we have the Contact Hub, which is like a digital Dropbox. Store all your networking contacts here. You can add details, categorize contacts, and even set reminders to stay in touch. Now let's go to the notes page. Notes page is perfect for keeping track of the important conversation, ideas, or tips. You can add link like you can add links, tips, contacts, event making, which is make it easy to find what you need at the right time. Yeah. Now let's go to the resource page. Research page is where you store articles, videos, which is helpful tools, helpful blogs, articles, anything you can add here. Everything you need to improve your networking skill is right in here. Okay, that's the main thing, main use of this resource page. Now let's finally go to the goal page. Goal page help you set and track your networking objectives. Whether it's making new contact or attending new more events, you can monitor right here and stay motivated. And let's go to the final one, which is archive. After completing task or event or anything, after complete, just move them to the archive page by simply marking them as archive. This keep your pages clean and focused, and you can always look back and reflect on the past later. By using this template, you are simplifying your networking progress, and you can stay organized and make most out of your college days. And that's it for the walkthrough. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on using Notion templates. And remember, networking doesn't have to be stressful. With the right tool, you can build a network that will support you through your career. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and happy networking.